Kethisha mwenye mutegeri wa Weru TV mbitikie muthenya waku no thiete na mbere o wega inko gwate ugeni methani yetu ya nteto tha mugwanja ni mbitagwa Christine Wanjeru. Tukiambiriria ntoni cietu maandamano mamanene ni mathiete na mbere mutindwa wa Kangangi na Akari meumiritie na mathiete na mbere kumeneria Kawira Mwangaza makimwiraga ethirwe akiebera obishini na ethirwe akiathikira Senate nontune amweberie gitiini kia agavana. Ni maandamano mamathiete na mbere Mwankatha inogu Akari mathiete na mbere kumeneria utongoria wawe na kumwira eterere ugie kana ugambi wa kotini ari nja ya obisi inu gatone bukuri.
Tongoria bobo ebora ina buo na ya onka kaire watu tokorea yuonka na onka mtokanya ni ndeke ni na siasa ntenda kuimete uongozi bora mama ina buo because we band example ya leader especially sector ya mtomuka so baturuwa turitero Kawira court ne make ruling yayo ikendelea utocheretheria sibitare utindawa ekwamba ukwira nara barabara ikuiloki mandabuti dia waeto ake mokia left konge akwana ke right bacha mana matres koko elerwa like yani Kawira ikiwa disaster in Meru County so batureenda nane ngambe kainde mantra is a very silly slogan ifike mwisho Meru ate mama gageta nontoe na tuthitherete mantu za maingi za mathuku muno ikethirwa ara cibitari gutena mbeca cia gwitithia na mbere aria na mbeca iciekirike budget tururi na ikai ya mbeca iu ikethirwa barabara cietu itithondeki na mbeca cieke budget tururi ari ethirwa ikirwa milioni 60 iria akathithia barabara kana ikirwa bilioni 100 iria akathithia barabara iria tebau nande yani mantu zonde zarangaratanire Meru tururi ari twatarire yani mwekora batikwetherwa ena kiao lakini nande wetegera mwekoro atena kiao bururu achietere mami wetu ntikone mami nontore mami agionkia twana onka ya tunde naru ari onkia kamwe kabato kamera turenda mtoro agato kamera na kabo agato nenkeria tukanywa twetwinde ende wonka mtu akanyiria kiukiae tote kwenda wonka kaere ne turatigire wonka arakanere ugenya gote sibitari yo ya maternity na ara kiguchwa na sibitari ethere twerio sibitari ethere twekiendereaga na nde batoko kana nto bakurere urenge ukauga ntemero county mbedero county nge na tote kwenda gento zake mama gageta mama must go aende kabisa beta wa George Muremi omo Akari Israeli ama Kimeru aya Marieto George Muremi omo Akari na Rikikuka Miro na batu na ro katwejete aja tore antu ba Meru kuregana na utongoria bwa ngavana Kawira Mwangaza onto ituonete utege ndu nyakimwe utongoria bwo tukunete na bumi anga ire iwi ethiri na tukwenda kuga utore Meru batu ote business transaction iketho enda ene Meru ketho ngavana Kawira Mwangaza atiumo ofisine na tukudikira auto tuga nya ushuru tutere anda ene Meru me ato tikona arapo gwita na no monka ngavana Kawira Mwangaza ithoro ati ofisine kenda batu tuigwa tuina there ene Meru and I want to say this in public that we are going to come here day after day until Governor Kawira Mwangaza vacates from the office as the governor of Meru County. Untunga mama kakana, mama te maendelea nazo. Aribo abakugoma, sibitari igena aba, iba atwana ichibo mwenga batwe twingwa kakana kwa wenza, ataenda nyumbani. Utejo burutwe nazo kuko Meru. No de nangeri. Daktari bagomere. Aribo baisindi bate kakana
maandamano maria matumite nkinyagia borishi marathimika gutumira iruta methori kana tear gas na ni nkinyagia iria ciumbite kuthungira sukuruni ya primary ya Meru na kureta ugwati kiri ciana cia sukuru ciana imwe nkinyagia ikigirikaga.
Maandamano ya kuaffect skuru sana nonto tumeadhiriwa and we are not part of it. Not only the student Kinya alitani ba kuadhirika of course, but it was not intentional nonto ba kulingiro na the kulingiro authority na bengo na baumao na berwa baka grati angasi near the school. I think there are 5 wale walikuwa affected, but hiyo kutoa machozi kila mtu ametoa machozi na kulia. Kuna moja imeingia mpaka kwa class watoto wakiwa, nyingine kavunja huko nyuma, nyingine huko mbele, but it was accidentally because there are some. Unajua wakati wamerushiwa there are some who have jumped through the fence kuingia shule, which was bad. But nikaambia watchmen wafungulie na watoke, sababu wakiingia huko sasa watafanya mambo yao mabaya.
Nteto cienge maandamano ma arimu ma kupet no mathiete na mbere na ni baria arimu mamantwere cianku bo maugite mo matiumirira kiri maandamano mama na makandamana mwankarire thirikari ikamathikiria maugite matikumaka ne ibinda rigana atari gatumika mbere mathikirwa ni thirikari indi mugomo no uthire na mbere
ya Sakayo ne thangiketi arimu batu turi arimu ba Meru turi aja nkobo kuga tuteta kirasine mwankante tochie tuithikire na turiuga court orders we go to court orders but we will not obey them tutachiathikira non to court yeu yugete aribo bachoke skuru no ugere nje YSS baandikwe na mwankana aro bataandikwa ato banenkera onyo ibwaga ibaratorere goro no baraga kurenya mweri uyonge na tukomeria mugomo yoyo akarakara na turera misori ya kero na misori aigwe uri arimo bakuga menyeja ko thubutuko koro mugomo yoyo tuerendi ukara mwanka baigwa to kuga na mwaka yonge kupepa.
To tell the government that the teachers of this country must be respected. I want to condemn the Teacher Service Commission in the strongest terms possible that they are telling teachers to go back to class. Teachers are not fools. Let Nancy Macharia understand that it is not Teacher Service Commission that called out teachers for the strike. I want to tell the government that teachers have really suffered under TSC. It is the teachers who fought for the creation of Teacher Service Commission. And we expect the Teacher Service Commission to be fighting for the welfare and the interests of the teachers. We as teachers in this country, we are even perturbed when our children report to school, universities, all the teachers are banded in Band 5. In Band 5, you are put together with the president, you are put together with the MPs, we are put together with the governors. We condemn this with the strongest possible.
Munini wa Inspector Boris Omweru niwe Dragat na mbere chindi unga ya wekire ituo mwanya cia Borisi andeni ya Kenya kuraitha urutiwira na nkinyagia kuraithiriria riera ria Borisi endira makuruta wira ariuga moronto wawe ni gutigira Borisi ni makuruta wira wao buku baterie na nkinyagia mate gucumbura no negentu no akiri kwarite mama ariongete nteresia Embu.
I have gone through the station and found out and I've got the brief. I've been briefed on the security situations within Embu and its environs. And as part of my administration and what I'm doing on day to day is just to check on my officers, how they're behaving, how their morale, the crime and management of the county as such. We want to make stations look better. There are some areas even that don't need money, but we will make it better, okay? We will make it better in the due course. Generally, the area is, and my officers are okay, and the issues that we are going to deal with it, I've got the brief, and the issues that needs my attention, I will deal with it. Otherwise, I want to ask the people of Embu, people of this place, to maintain peace, to maintain law and order, and we make our country better every day so that the socio-economic activities of this place can prosper.
Hata ukikanyaga kunogoka banini utikathi nwaku.
This season, enjoy na GoTV. Beste yako wafuta. Tuna connect na ligi zote. Jishikie GoTV leo ujinice na the best futa live on SuperSport. GoTV. Love it.
Je, unatafuta hoteli tulivu ya kifahari na ya kisasa ambapo unaweza kufurahia likizo pamoja na familia au marafiki? Basi karibu Kisimani Eco Resort and Spa. Tunapatikana katika barabara ya kutoka Meru kuelekea Isiolo, karibu na maili 7, takriban kilomita 11 kabla ya kufika mji wa Isiolo. Utapata uwanja mzuri na mpana unaoweza kutoshea hadi watu 5,000 kwa hafla zozote za nje kama vile harusi na mikutano, vyumba vya mikutano vya kisasa, kumbi nzuri za hafla kama vile sherehe za siku ya kuzaliwa, sehemu za burudani za nje kama vile nature walk trails, ziplining, swimming pool, camping na mahali pa watoto pa kuchezea, vyumba vya kulala vya kifahari na vyakula vya aina zote. Kwa wale walio na mikutano au kongamano, kuna chai na vitafunio, chakula cha mchana, chai ya alasiri na mtandao wa haraka. Tuna ofa maalum ya bidhaa teule, burudani ya karaoke kutoka kwa Wanji the Songbird kila Ijumaa, Jumamosi na Jumapili jioni na mengine mengi. Kwa habari zaidi, tembelea tovuti yetu www.kisimaniresort.com au tupigie simu kwa nambari 0742 205 295 au 0733 570 530. Kisimani Eco Resort and Spa Limited blends nature with modern hospitality.
Kanisa ya MCK mikumbu nene kubugwa togeni kire kiumeke gucokia nkatho Jumapili jintariki mweri jwa kenda wambirithenya cherukire kenda gukungura miaka 101 ya kanisa kiatho giki kigakwijiremo kwa imwe aja Weru TV. Mugeni wa gitio ni munini wa rais His Excellency Rigathi Gachagua na ageni bangi. Mwari wa gitio akethirwa ari Reverend Isaiah Ndeye uria ni presiding bishop wa kanisa ya Methodist ndeni ya Kenya. Ni untubwa Nteto Nkuruki aranirie na Alfred Mutua uria ni chairman wa kanisa gukurukira 0719482226 Bwinde ibugwati ugeni.
Orengi nkugwate ogeni tukithira mbere Rais William Ruto na ugite kuringana na ithurano iria ikurukite akinya ni monanirie gutina muntu maria makoraithiriria Tandurijo na kinyagia ndini indiria makuringa kura ni untu uria aritie ari interesi ya Kisumu ni baria augite thirikari ya wekethirwa igitenga mugana wa mbia bilioni 1.5 cia gwaka iwanda cia samaki Lake Victoria.
The message that came out of 2022 is that the curtains on the politics of ethnicity had come down, and that henceforth we are going to move as a country, as a united country, democratic, and us understanding where we all want to go. When the opportunity arose for me to consider broadening the administration that I run, I could not miss that opportunity because I know the value of making every Kenyan feel that they belong. And it is the reason why I took the opportunity to create a broad-based government, because it has always been in my scheme of things how to bring Kenyans together. Even though it came as a result of a situation that was uncomfortable for many people. But they say in every cloud there's a silver lining. And in every challenge there is an opportunity. It depends on where you focus. Either you focus on the challenge or you focus on the opportunity. The opportunity we have today is the opportunity to unite the people of Kenya. And I must say that I am very proud of this moment. In my plan, the blue economy, which contributes about 20 billion shillings every year, it is my intention to raise the contribution of our blue economy from 20 billion to 100 billion. And for us to do that, we need to do a couple of things. Number one, we need to build blue economy infrastructure. As you're all aware, we are investing 1.5 billion shillings in building 10 fish landing sites in Lake Victoria. We need to deal with the challenge of fingerlings and the fish stock in our waters. And we need to replenish, because the more we fish, the fewer the stocks are. It is the reason why I came to Kabonyo here. And we have a project of 1 billion shillings to have a major fish program here that will help us develop at least 7 million fingerlings, PS, 7 million fingerlings per quarter. High quality fingerlings, both for our farmers and also for us to restock Lake Victoria.
Nyuma ya thirikari kuregeria vinya kire gukandana na nchobi cia mungwana riu ni cokete kairi thokoni na niciambiritie kwenderua antu irabu riu ni kwendia nchobi ino iria itina barua cia gucitikiriria ni kuringana na Nicholas Mutua uria ni wa gikundi kia ene irabu namba Tharaka-Nithi niba augite magakandana kurua na nchobi inu ithire.
Tuakiaraniria na ndiki bandeto wariuga thirikari kume kunyia ururu buraya ari na bweguru uria kurwa na nchobi ndege iwatho nchobi no ende iciambiritie kumira na nkinya gucoka kiri thoko na ikenyunyagwa na kariba nthiguru ya Kenya.
Nitwe na kagita kega ka biashara kumaendelea kwagire crackdown ya nchobi iria itembaga Tharaka-Nithi na kuruta irabu iria itekwagira jiatigwa iria ikwagira, lakini mbuge nitwe na challenge no tukagita karija gichenjagia ukethera kagita ni gakinyire karia nchobi jiambire gucoka iria jiathiragwa ni thirikari ya national government na county government igwatene ira twagwatanagira bo tuge nchobi no ikwambire gucoka ni gucokete kwambire kurugurwo na irabu imwe iria ikwendia nchobi iria itekwendekana.
Ariuga kumania na bobwende irabu bitakinyite kiwango na irabu bitaukinya ivyambiritie kumira kiugaga bibi bikuthina mbere kuthukangia biashara ya nchobi maturani.
Tio tukira ndingi ba biashara ni tukumenya irabu ijiku na nikito mtugwatanirite thaa ino kagita ngaka turi na thirikari ya national government ile tutongoretwe Tharaka-Nithi ni county commissioner tukagwatanira na the county government tutongoretwe ni our deputy governor who is the minister in charge of trade tukenda kulwa na antu baria bakwendia nchobi iria itegirite nonto antu boni bo bakweja kuthukiria antu baria bagitete license antu baria bagebanengeretwe barua jia kuringa biashara imbeka jia nchobi na nibo bagwakarie twaria biashara ya nchobi ntaka.
Kiongera Mutua inyiritie botaringi biashara ba wendia bwa nchobi ibagwatanite na kwithirwa bari kimwe gutigira aringi biashara ba nchobi cia magendo ba kuma Kieni.
Kogutio tugwatanite twe antu ba biashara tukiugaga ati antu baria barugirite biashara kinyume na buria kwendekaga bambe baume biasharani batige baria bakuringa biashara iria mbitikirie kana county government ya Tharaka-Nithi itake initiative ya kuthikura ithira baria bangi bakwenda kuringa biashara ba apply applications jao bathi banenkelo barua betekelo kuringa batonya baringa biashara iria kwendeka nonto antu baba kurura irabu jio tuku irabu imwe tena standards iria kwendeka bauni baba kuja na into iria kwendwa iria tutibataire kwa tukiendagia.
Muthia ariuga tindwa ya irabu na nkinya nchobi no itakwendeka ende nkinya nchobi ta mugacha karubo kathoroko na nkinya nchobi ira chingi cionthe ibakurwa nacio.
Koguti utaringi ba biashara turiuga atiri ni tukugwatanira na thirikari both levels of government both national and county tukiugaga ati biashara ya nchobi no ndukuigwetwo mitu ndume nguzo migasha ino irambirie kurugirwo na miuro ni imwe jenge nyomba jia nyuma na nyomba twa nyuma market jetu into jonde turenda gwatana na thirikari tuthitwe mbele ya thirikari tuambirie kurwa na antu bau tukona na aria bari tukabaruta kena antu baba kuringa biashara baomba gucoka biashara ni bathuguma na baomba kwila na shukuru na gukuria community.
Kiripotera Wero TV kuma gicigo mbunge kia Mara bitagwa Martin Mugambi.
Goalkeeper wa Harambee Stars na Police Bullet niwe Andy Kundu niwe urashindire kibeba kia goalkeeper Njorua kiri mashindano ma Sekafa wathietera mbere nthini ya Ethiopia. Oni ona nyuma ya timu ya Police Bullet gushindwa ni NMC CBA ya Ethiopia bari ya marama borire ngoru emwe wa Kibugu.
Start by thanking God for this far. Tulianza vibaya but tukakuja catch up vizuri tukafika finali, we thank God. Then for the winning the best goalkeeper of the tournament, I'm so proud of myself. Ni kujituma tu pia na kazi poa.
Winning the coach of the tournament first of all means teamwork. It means that my team worked well, we worked as a team, we cooperated, that the technical team also pushed so well, that the players did their best. You can only shine as the best coach if your players show something in the pitch. So it means a lot. I'm grateful and I know that we're going to do our best back home. When we go back home, the league will almost be starting. We want to push the league once again. If all goes well, we win it again and we win it better this time and play the Sekafa Champions League again, and if all is well, represent Sekafa region.
Nagano ntwako na kanya kugwatanira na tu methani yetu ya nteto inkwendere wikendi imbega mbitagwa Christine Wanjeru.